Welcome to our core business development skills programme, Making Rainmakers. I'm Claire Rayson, a former lawyer and expert business developer and coach. I have worked in or with professional services firms for over 20 years, and I have the insights that will help your professionals succeed. I will be your host for the series, guiding you through each section and its accompanying workbook. Making Rainmakers is not about creating an army of clones. It's also not about creating rainmakers in the traditional sense. It is instead about using coaching tools and techniques to leverage individual strengths. Being a rainmaker doesn't mean that you need to be an extrovert, charismatic, or even good at selling. In this course, we will learn how to build a personal brand. We will explore what you need to know about presenting, and we will take a journey to understand what thought leadership is and how you can become a thought leader, or indeed use the thought leadership that your firm produces. We will think about the human skills needed to succeed. And finally, we will be pulling it all together by creating your own personal business development plan. So, what are you waiting for? Join me to uncover what it takes to excel at business development. You might be surprised to find that it isn't what you think.